One more day, one more realme. It doesn't matter when you see this. Well, actually, it's two more realme. The new realme Narzo 90 series, consisting of the standard model and the Narzo 90X, has been officially launched in India. Both devices share a feature that makes them unique in their segment, a gigantic 7000 mAh battery. Let's start by detailing the realme Narzo 90. As for its design, the brand has placed emphasis on resistance, offering a certification against dust and water IP69. It's better than its smaller sibling with just IP68. It arrives with 7.79mm thick and 181 grams in its weight. Its screen is a 657-inch AMOLED panel with Full HD resolution and 4000 nits of brightness. It stands out for its HD refresh rate and high-frequency pulse dimming technology to reduce eye strain. It also has improved color coverage and also integrates DTS protection, which is not as popular as Gorilla Glass, but at least if we have something special there. In the camera section, the front surprises with 50 megapixels for selfies and an f2.4 aperture, although it has a fixed focus. On the back, we find the main camera with 50 megapixels and an aperture of f1.8, featuring autofocus, yet seemingly lacking optical stabilization, which might impact its performance in night conditions. The secondary camera offers 2 megapixels for depth effect using a monochrome sensor. This is mainly to provide a more advanced aesthetic by having 3 circles on the back, although it actually functions as a system. A 7000 mAh battery features 60W fast charging and support for wired reverse charging, ideal for using the phone as a power bank. Performance is handled by the MediaTek Dimensity 6400 Max processor with 608GB versions of RAM and 128GB of internal storage, all under Realme UI 6 based on Android 15. Which includes AI features like AI Edit Genie for editing photos using voice or text commands, first introduced in the Realme 15 series, now available on these entry-level devices. As for the Realme Narzo 90X, it focuses more on offering a smooth multimedia experience. The screen is notably larger at 6.8 inches, though it uses LCD technology with HD resolution, making it a simpler display. Nevertheless, the refresh rate is impressively raised to 144 Hz. In terms of design, Realme emphasizes that this model features significantly louder audio and is built with durability in mind. The front camera is 8 megapixels with an f2 aperture and fixed focus, while the main rear camera is 50 megapixels with an f1.8 aperture and autofocus, but no optical stabilization. The processor is the MediaTek Dimensity 6300, keeping the same memory setup as the standard model. Like its sibling, it features a 7000 mAh battery and 60 watts charging, which are its highlights. Regarding pricing, the Realme 90 begins at 16,999 rupees, about $203 for 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Realme Narzo 90X, it begins at 13,999 rupees, approximately $167 in its most basic configuration, even though it appears that this Narzo series is exclusively for India. However, make sure to stay alert and keep watching for a possible launch that could happen sometime soon in the near future. Additional regions coming soon. For now, tell me in the comments if you prefer a 90Hz AMOLED display or a 144Hz LCD display.